cooking supper now. I have the chicken wings I bought last night, but look like not enough for 2 people, so I am making more. I don't like frying, so I need to have something to cover like that. The oil will not came out. Fried chicken. Now fried chicken is ready. Crunchy. Chicken into the pan. Mix with the sauce you like. Today I will use red hot sauce for my husband. Wow. I think enough. And this one, Thai pork sweet sausage. I bought from my friend. She likes sweet Thai pork sausage. Now frying. Now sausage done. Turn off the stove and put it to that. I don't know what call it in English. Drain the oil before serving. Looks good. I didn't turn on the stove, then turn the chicken. Put the salt again. And now, done, ready to serve. And now, my supper done. This is the buffalo chicken wing and my chicken and Thai sweet sausage. Eat with cucumber, celery and ranch. Eating!